Yo, what is up everybody, welcome back from another banger video guys. In today's video, as you see by the title guys, we are checking out the phone that came out, the Samsung Galaxy A55. This came out in March, but we haven't made a video on it, so I was like, why not make a video on it? So this is the new, so each year they drop different, like, it's called the A series, I'm pretty sure, the Galaxy A series, and they basically drop it every year. And we got a new one, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see, is it better than A54 that was launched last year. So we're gonna see all about it. As you see, the A54 has a 6.4 inch, while the A55 has a 6.6. So 2 inches, you know, 6.6 inch and 6.4 inch. So by 2%, basically, like, the A55 is bigger, so it is going to be the bigger phone. So if you want a bigger phone, this is probably going to be for you. They both are 50 megapixels, but the Samsung Galaxy A55 chipset is the Exynos 1480. And the A54 is 1380. So it's gonna have a newer chip. It's gonna have more RAM, starting at 6 gigs, going all the way to 12, and the A54 is going with starting from 4, going to 8. So that's a really good feature from the A55. Battery is the same, 5000 milliamp hours, and the A54 5000 milliamp hours. They both have IP67 dust and slash water resistant, so really good. Pixels even the same, brightness same pretty much screen type, strength. But the A55 is using Corning Gorilla Glass Fix This Plus, and with the A54 it's using Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So both really good there. To check its Antutu test performances. So sorry guys, the performances are way better than the A55, as you see. Geekbench, yeah, really good results here. And the battery new will probably last you around 13 hours, which in the battery as new in the A54 will do 11 hours. So really good battery right here from the A54. I mean 5, sorry. But yeah, it looks like it is a better phone, guys. If you guys want to buy this phone, let's search this up real quick. It's around $600 AUD, Australian money basically. And if you wanna buy it from the certified brands like JB Hi-Fi, Officeworks, it's around 700. You can find it like 600 in Costco. But yeah, the cheapest is basically around 600 or 700. But if you want to look up the A54, it is way cheaper, 540, 527. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll guys catch you in the next one. Peace.